Hello students, yesterday I have discussed about the part 3 of profit loss and discount. Now I am going to discuss about part 4, that is the formulas and related examples regarding discount and discount percentage. Number 1, discount is equal to discount percentage of marked price. Second, discount is equal to marked price minus sale price. Third, discount percentage is equal to discount divided by marked price multiplied by 100%. 4. For two successive discounts D1% and D2%, a single equivalent discount percent or total discount percent equal to D1 plus D2 minus D1 into D2 divided by 100%. 5. For three successive discounts D1%, D2% and D3% respectively, one single equivalent discount percent or total discount percent is equal to D1 plus D2 plus D3 minus D1 D2 plus D2 D3 plus D3 D4 D3 D1 divided by 100 plus D1 D2 D3 divided by 10,000 percentage. 6. In order to gain a profit of P%, a trader increased the market price by H% more than CP of a commodity. What discount percent he should profess so as to gain P% profit? Discount percent is equal to H minus P divided by 100 plus H multiplied by 100%. 7. A trader intends to earn a profit of P% on selling a certain commodity. He professes a discount of D% on the market price. What percent, say H%, more than the CP, he should increase the market price. H% is equal to 100 multiplied by D plus P and divided by 100 minus D percent. Now I will discuss about some examples. Example 1 for formula 4. Formula 1, 2 and 3 are very simple, so I need not feel to give examples. Example 1 for formula 4. Find a single equivalent discount percent for two successive discounts of 20% and 10% respectively. Solution: single equivalent discount percent equal to D% equal to D1 plus D2 minus D1 D2 by 100%. D1 is equal to 20, D2 is equal to 10, so 20 plus 10 minus 20 into 10 divided by 100 percentage. 20 plus 10 equal to 30. 20 into 10 by 100 equal to 2. So 30 minus 2 equal to 28. So 28% answer. Very simple, very short answer by using this formula. But second method, that is without using the trick. So we have to suppose market price as rupees 100 and first discount is equal to D1% of 100 is equal to 20 rupees. Price after first discount, it is 100 minus 20 equal to 80 rupees. So second discount will be calculated on 80 rupees. So second discount equal to D2% of 80 rupees equal to 10% of 80 rupees. D2 is equal to 10. So 10 multiplied by 80 divided by 100 equal to 80 rupees. So price after second discount will be 80 minus 8 equal to 72. So single discount percent will be 100 minus 72%, that is 28%. Example 2 for trick 5. Find a single discount percent for three successive discounts of D1%, D2% and D3%. Say D1 equal to 20, D2 equal to 15 and D3 equal to 10 respectively. Then single equivalent discount percent will be, by simply using the formula and putting the values, we can get the answer. D1 plus D2 plus D3 minus D1 D2 plus D2 D3 plus D3 D1 divided by 100 plus D1 D2 D3 divided by 10,000%. So putting the values, 20 plus 15 plus 10 minus 20 into 15 plus 15 into 10 plus 10 into 20 divided by 100 plus 20 into 15 into 10 by 10,000. So this will be equal to 45 minus 15 into 20 ala 300, 15 into 10 ala 150 and 10 into 20 is equal to 200. So this amount divided by 100 plus 20 into 15 into 10 equal to 3000 divided by 10,000. So the value will be 45 minus 650 by 100 plus 3 by 10. This is equal to 45 minus 6.5 plus 0.3 or 45.3 minus 6.5, and this is 38.8%. Second method, without using the trick. Let market price equal to 100. So sale price will be 100 minus D1% by 100 multiplied by 100 minus D2% by 100 multiplied by 100 minus D3 by 100 multiplied by MP. So putting these values, 100 minus 20 by 100, 100 minus D2 means 15 divided by 100 into 100 minus 10 by 100 into 100. This is equal to 80 by 100 plus 85 by 100 plus 80 by 100 into 85 by 100 into 90 by 100 into 100. By simplifying, you can get rupees 61 and 20 paise. So single equivalent discount percent will be 100 minus 61.2. This is equal to 38.8%. Example 3 for formula 6. A trader purchased 100 pieces of similar toys of cost price 500 rupees each. He intends to earn a profit of 20% and increased the market price by 50%. What should be his discount percent? Note, cost price and quantity are indifferent in the formula. So we have to take profit percent, P percent equal to 20% and increase in market price by H percent equal to 50%. So D percent equal to H minus P divided by 100 plus H multiplied by 100%. So H means 50, P means 20. 50 minus 20 divided by 100 plus H or 100 plus 50 multiplied by 100%. This will be equal to 30 by 150 into 100% equal to 20%. Example 4 for formula 7. A trader decided to earn a profit of 20% on selling a particular commodity. He professed a discount of D percent equal to 20%. By what percent more than CP he should have increased the market price? Solution: profit percent or P percent equal to 20%, discount percent or D percent equal to 20%, and percentage increased more than CP in MP equal to H percent. And the H percent equal to 100 into D plus P divided by 100 minus D percent. Now we simply put the values and get 100 multiplied by 20 plus 20 divided by 100 minus 20%. This is equal to 100 into 40 divided by 20%. This is equal to 50%. Example 5 for formula 7. How much percent more than cost price should a shopkeeper mark on his goods so that after offering a discount of 20% on the MP, he will gain 10% profit? Solution: discount percent or D percent equal 20, profit percent or P percent equal to 10, percentage more than CP. This is to be added to CP to mark as MP. And this value is H percent. So h percent equal to 100 into d plus p divided by 100 minus d percentage. 100 into 20 plus 10 divided by 100 minus 20%. 100 into 30, 20 plus 10, 30 divided by 80% or 300 by 8%. This is equal to 37 whole 4 by 8% or 37 half a percent. Thank you. I hope these examples will help you to understand, and by the next day we will discuss about fifth part of this topic, profit, loss and gain, loss and discount.